In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a floating text effect in CapCut PC. If you want your titles to have that smooth, drifting motion that feels light and polished on screen, this is a very simple way to do it. The nice thing about this effect is that it adds movement without being distracting, so it works really well for intros, quotes, aesthetic edits, and even social media captions. To get started, the first thing we need to do is create a text layer. Move your mouse to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Text tab. Once you're there, look through the local text options until you find default text. Click and hold that text block, then drag it down into an empty track lane above your main video clip on the timeline. Placing it above your video is important because that ensures the text appears on top of your footage instead of being hidden behind it. Now that the text layer is on the timeline, let's add the actual words you want to display. Move over to the top right settings panel. Under the Text tab and inside the Basics section, click into the large text input box and type your title. After that, you can customize how it looks by choosing a font from the drop-down menu and adjusting the color using the style swatches below. For a floating text effect, it usually helps to make the text clean and bold so it stays readable while it moves. Try to choose a color that stands out clearly from the background video, especially if your footage has a lot of detail or motion. Once your text looks the way you want, it's time to animate it. In the same top right panel, click on Animation, which is right next to the basic settings. Then select the loop category underneath. This is the key part, because loop animations continue playing for the full duration of the text clip, which is exactly what gives you that ongoing floating effect throughout the scene. Now scroll through the available motion presets until you find one called Wave, Float, or Dynamic Wave. Click on the one you like best to apply it to your text. These presets are great because they create gentle movement instead of a harsh entrance or exit animation. To make the effect feel more natural and less bouncy, go down to the speed slider at the bottom and drag it to the left. Slowing the animation down gives the text a softer, smoother drift, which is what really sells the floating look. And that's it. Your text should now move continuously with a calm floating effect right inside CapCut PC.